What's going on, guys? Recap on today's trade. Listen, we did a great job identifying a setup here on Sqqq. We bought at that support when it made sense. We even locked in profit at the peak here, 20 shares at 41.16. It peaked at 41.20 and started selling off. Now look, we were up $56 on the day within the first 5, 10, maybe 20, 15 minutes, maybe. What's that? 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes of the morning, right? And guys, it's insane that I gave it all back. I held and I actually literally sold 20 shares at the top and 20 shares at the absolute bottom, giving back literally $50 in profits, 20 that was locked in, and resulting only $4.70 in profit on the day. What could we do better? Well, identify when this trade is over. Even selling at $40 support here, which is now a resistance, could have resulted in a nice $35 or $40 profit. So, and then I tested out this support at $39.50, which was pre-market support here. And that failed and has been selling off ever since. Now, why is this? Well, QQQ sold off aggressively on Friday, and over the weekend it had a gap down from 468 all the way down to 461 and has since recovered that gap. It's filled that gap. Now it's 1:37 in the afternoon, and there has been no case of it selling off anymore. In fact, it's setting up for a nice reversal pattern. For anyone who went long on TQQQ today at around $53, was able to make a really good profit here, about 7% on TQQQ today, or $3.8, almost $4 per share. So, there was money to be made here at the beginning for Sqqq, and then, once that was established, it would have been better to sell out of that and actually get into TQQQ as it was showing signs of direction. Once it crossed over this moving average, again, direction was clear for the bulls that QQQ was going to recover. We've seen some resistance pretty much all pre-market, our live trading session with our LTE team. We've seen a lot of resistance at 461.80, 462, and then it broke that resistance, creating a support, and then pushed up to 464.50. Again, a lot of consolidation throughout most of the day, a lot of resistance there at 464.50, and then broke through to 467. After that, I didn't feel comfortable holding anymore, and again sold at the absolute top, 41.16, up over $56. That was 3% on the day. Could have got in, made our money, been done. But I was hoping to see a bounce, potential more sell-off in the market, which it can still happen. We can still get more selling pressure in the market overnight, but I don't like to hold positions overnight. Still a green day. I could do better by not holding on to this position that long, as on Friday. Same thing happened here, except opposite. I bought in a really good price point and I just sold way too early. I should have held longer. This resulted in about $120 profit that was left on the table. Locked in about $20 on Friday, but leaving another $120 on the table. So today I thought, well, maybe I'll hold a little longer and see how this plays out on the day. And it didn't play in our direction today. So tomorrow we're going to wake up. Well, actually, tomorrow we are going to Santa Fe. So I'll be trading with you guys via Discord and kind of doing my own thing while I'm on the road. But I will not be live in the morning. It's a real small, quick trip. Going to be there and back for a dentist appointment and an eye appointment, and then come right back. So I won't be available for the live stream in the morning, but I will keep you guys all up to date in the Discord with basically what I'm watching, what I'm going to be entering and exiting, and basically what I'm going to be getting into. So today, unfortunately, was not a day for the Bears. And again, I don't like to hold positions overnight, which, makes sense. I like to be able to control my positions, and again, opportunities to grow and learn from, selling and buying at that peak, and then that first sign of a red candle, just getting out of the position, just getting out. And if I see that it would have benefited at 40, then I could have got back in. So nonetheless, definitely go check out our live stream video from this morning. It was about an hour long, and you get to see this whole process. You get to see me buying in, taking profits, selling here, and then my thought process of why I was holding. And then of course you get to see my profits slowly trickle down from $50 to 30 to 20. And then the whole time keeping you guys up to date in the Discord, you know, still holding my position, shouting out key levels of support and resistance, etc. And of course, updating my indicators and alerts as I see fit. Hey, this could have went the other way today. This could have got below this moving average, and we could have seen more selling pressure, and we could have been having a whole different conversation. You know, we could have seen not only a $50 day, but a $200 day, right? So nonetheless, still did good by managing our risk in a way, making sure we stayed green on the day. But again, could have been more up here, right? We held this one way too long today. Some days you need to hold the position longer, when the direction's in your favor. Some days I need to just learn when to cut my losses. But nonetheless, still a green day. Hope to see you guys in the live stream on Wednesday, not tomorrow. And yeah, hope you guys all have a good rest of your day. If there is any future videos you would like me to talk about, if there's any stocks or tickers you would like me to look at for you or do an analysis on, definitely leave a comment. Any questions, I'd love to make a video on it. If you're still struggling to make a profit or be consistently green day after day, then definitely check out some of my helpful videos and some of my videos in our Learn to Earn lesson library, 100% free, easy to access, and lifetime access is what I was basically trying to say. QQQ pushing up, so we can see a big pullback. But again, this could be the first stages of 3 stages of reversal. This could be that third stage where it's finally pushing up. Going along at 457 and holding would be a great idea for, you know, anyone at that level this morning. Now we're getting into an area, well, where it could actually get rejected, or it can continue to push up. So I'm excited to see what happens in the market overall tomorrow. If you guys want to watch me trade as soon as tomorrow morning, definitely consider subscribing to the channel, joining the Discord, and that's basically it. I hope you guys a great rest of your day. And remember, in these times the market conditions are choppy, just know when to lock in your profits, manage your risk, and sometimes maybe not even take a trade at all, especially if you don't feel comfortable with your trading plan. So thanks again, and we'll see you all in the next video.